Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are.
Hey you guys, welcome to That Family 5. I am Atoya, mother and wife of That Family 5. We are a channel that does cleaning motivations and lifestyle and hairstyle and things like that. Anything that I can do to help motivate somebody else doing anything, that's what I do. I was going to get to the back side of the kitchen, but I need to get the storage under control under the sink. So I have some shelving that I want to use because it is old. I bought some contact from Dollar Tree and then some bins. So kind of excited. I hope that you are too. So let's get this done. All right, so welcome back. I want to welcome all to my new subscribers coming over from Guilt-Free Mama Karima's page. Thank y'all so much for y'all support. I really appreciate y'all. This is just a basic kitchen organizing video with some nice music. I hope y'all enjoy it. Right now I'm just pulling everything out. I'm going to take that old contact paper off, and then we're going to sweep underneath it. As you see, there's a hole towards the back if you actually see it. And so I'm just getting some of that drywall off of there, sweep it out, then clean it out, and then after that we get right to getting it organized. So continue to watch and enjoy. Thank you guys.
It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out there, you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I.
All right, so I'm sitting here talking to Rain. I'm like, Rain, how you think this is gonna look? She said, I don't know, put it in. I'm like, okay, so I'm waiting for the cleaner to dry, and then I put it in, and Rain's like, it looked tacky. Now, me looking back at it, I think it looks nice. I think it actually matches the back wall. Yeah. And then, okay, so this two-tier storage that we got, yeah, I don't know what I was doing. I was trying not to have to take it apart all the way again to put it underneath the sink, kind of like I did with the other two bathrooms, but I had to take at least one arm off to put it up there, and that's what I did. So yeah. All right, so I'm putting it back together because I had to take it apart and make sure that it fit underneath the sink. And so while I was doing that, I needed to go ahead and I had to stretch it out across the whole length of the kitchen sink, which I was happy it was able to do that. So yeah, I'm actually proud. I'm happy I got this for all under the sinks that we have.
She makes me go another round. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you? There's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling.
My face when I'm trying to end the video and they are very loud in the background. Sorry.
Baby, I am falling.
Oh my god, that's actually new. I thought that was from last year. She looks thinner in the picture.
Took me down to where I've been lately.
Trying to end my, this happens every time I try to end the video. He walks up in here on the phone. I know we about to go, but goodness gracious.
Break me down.
Look at my choppy jaw. He's so cute. So as for under here, I know y'all probably like, what type of organization is this? So everybody has different types of organizations and how they deal with things and whatnot, right? So what I did was stuff that I had that ample, like had more stuff of, multiple things of, I put it over here. Kind of like, you know, at the store you put them back to back to each other. So I did that right there. And things that I use and things that I don't use. The things that I use on a regular basis, I put it right here. So that when I do go and clean, all I have to do is lift it like this and go and clean. These Brillo pads, there's only 3 left, but I don't know how to store those. So yeah, and this is for stuff that we use on the regular in the kitchen. All right, so I know y'all see this big refill one, and I only got a little bit of this one left, which I should be putting in that thing. And I know y'all see this. All right, so this little one that we use is for the animals. We have 3 fur babies and 1 scaled baby. So Topaz, Yorkie, and Oreo, to wash their, we have their own shampoo, but because we're going to the season of shedding right now, we use Dawn to make sure we get a lot of the hair and stuff off, and to make sure they don't have any fleas. We leave the Dawn on for about 5 minutes, and well, however long we can keep them in the tub. And after we do that, and then we rinse it off. So that's why we have this little size one, and then this big one right here to refill. So that's why. And right here is our Costco dishwasher pods that we use. And so yeah, I was going to use this contact paper as y'all saw in the video, but my daughters was like, it looks tacky. It's their house too. They're gonna have to come up underneath here to get stuff for one of them they have to clean, so they're gonna have to look at it also. So I'm like, all right, cool. You think it looks tacky? That's fine. It's not that serious. It's just contact paper. I can find somewhere else to use it. So here is my under the sink, and I am excited. I'm pretty happy for it. I'm going to take a picture now. Like I said, everybody's organizations is different. So I'm pretty excited. So yeah, I'm gonna close this up. I'm not going to finish cleaning because we have to go somewhere. But this is it for this part of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video and seeing the organization of my kitchen cabinet. I will see y'all on the next time on the tube. Peace out, y'all.